Hey everybody, this is another quick Tradovate video on how to use the platform. I had a question the other day about my stack imbalances indicator and why it wasn't working. Before I answer that one, I wanted to point out the difference between having a legacy chart on your platform versus the new chart. To add any kind of either chart, you have to click the plus button. And if you had originally done this when you set up your platform, you may have clicked Legacy Chart down here. And Legacy Chart is just the original charting module that Tradovate had. It looks different, you know, the bars, the colors, and the way it behaves when ticks come in versus the new chart. There is a little different look and feel depending on when you joined Tradovate. You may like the old legacy chart versus the new chart. As for me, all of my indicators only work with the new chart. So if something doesn't work, verify that you are on the new chart. So that answers, or at least distinguishes between the new charting versus legacy charting. And all of the code, again, that I write for any of my tutorials or any of the indicators I publish will be using new chart. All right. I won't be adding any new modules today, chart or legacy chart. Now, to answer the questions about why my stack imbalances indicator isn't working, first we'll have to load up the indicator. So I just search for stacked imbalances. And if this is the one that you're running, the one that has my initials prefix, stacked imbalances for new charts, then we're talking about the same one. So as you can see, when I pull that in, nothing shows up. And the reason is you have to be in the bid-ask volume chart type. So again, if you'll, it's past the time period, then there's chart type. And I know there's been a lot of chart thrown around with legacy chart, new chart, chart type, chart settings. But this particular one, to get it to work, you have to change the chart type to bid-ask volume, which will show you the footprint or cluster charts. Now you can see the legacy charts, the stacked imbalances showing. Now I don't know much about the stack imbalances. I just modified the original code that only worked with legacy chart to work with the new chart module. And I just added the painting, which is the green background or overlay that extends the width of the box, the green and the red. Alright, hope you find that useful. If you have, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to learn about anything else in Tradovate. Thank you.